Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream to Twitch on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing you need to do is connect your Twitch account. So go up to the top, go to Settings, and go on down to Users and Accounts. Then go to Linked Services and go on over to Twitch and select this. Now go to where it says Link and sign in with your Twitch account and password. Once you have this linked, we can go back to the game now. And we have to have a game started up, otherwise you won't have the option to stream. So if I hold down the share button and I go over to broadcast now, nothing will happen. So it says I can go live, but won't allow me to until I start up the application. So let's go to Astrobot right now. Now when I have a game open, I can hold down the share button and I should be able to start streaming. So let's go to share. Let's go to broadcast right here. Here's Twitch. So it gives me some options under here, like the display camera, the chat, overlay position if I want it in the bottom right, etc. And then the video quality as well. And then you can include the actual party chat too. So you can do the description in here as well. Looks like I was on PSVR 2 or something, so Astrobot or something. And then all you have to do is go to where it says go live, and then you'll be live on Twitch. And it'll give you a little indicator of what you're streaming. So we can just go live right now, starting broadcast. And you can move my camera somewhere else. Looks like I got my camera on there. So let's move it to right here. Then you can start playing. Then you can stop it at any point in time by going back to broadcast. So I have it right here. It looks like no one's watching. I can pause it or stop it very easily. Let's go to yes and completely stop that. So very simple to do. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.